Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is red cabbage and apple with balsamic vinegar. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we prep the red cabbage, simply using a sharp knife, which I'm not, cut into shreds. Next the apple, cut into small cubes, and next the onion, cut into half moons. Sorry if this narration sounds a bit rushed, but it's Christmas Eve and the pubs are open in half hour. Then when you're ready to cook, simply melt the butter in a heavy based pan, add the onions and fry off until they're nice and soft. After 2 or 3 minutes it's time to add the apples, and again saute off for 2 or 3 minutes. Then it's time to add the cabbage and thoroughly mix with the onions and apples, making sure they're coated all in the butter. Then simply add a splash of water to the pan, stir around and put a lid on it for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, give it a stir round. Be careful, that lid's hot. After you've stopped your wife swearing and cursing and dancing around the kitchen after burning her hand, add the red currant jelly and the balsamic vinegar to the cabbage and stir through. Then put the lid back on the pan, continue to cook until the cabbage is how you like it. We like it with a tiny bit of crunch left, but if you like it soft, cook it a bit longer. I'm sorry you burnt your hand. Look, it wasn't my fault. What do you mean, is the mic still on? Oh, We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. Video's finished, can we go to the pub now?